Hey there, welcome to our channel. This is a short video about the BG T64 grinder which the manufacturer makes some improvements. The link for our previous full intro and review video on the BG T64 is here or here. Glad they have listened, rectified with speed and made 3 improvements. 2 thumbs up to them. First improvement, dosing ring with matching color as the dosing cup. Before and after. Second improvement, with O-ring over here to ensure tight fit onto the dosing cup. By doing so to eliminate the buzzing, humming sound when the grinder is in operation. Without O-ring. With O-ring. Hear the difference? More quiet, isn't it? Third improvement, change to much tougher titanium coating on the burrs as compared to the previous. Previous gold titanium and the present new burrs which we call it rose gold. Some of you might be skeptical about whether this is a true stepless grinder when set between the grid or lines. Will the adjustment ring move when the grinding starts? Here's a test to prove it doesn't move at all. As proven here, it is a true stepless grinder. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.